Hi, today we want to learn how can we blending text and images in Photoshop. It's easy and useful. You can use this trick for poster or desktop wallpaper designs. If you want to test this tutorial, you can download image from description links. We didn't use any plugins. Let's start. Open image in Photoshop. Pick text tool and write something. Now pick move tool and click on transparent option. Click on this little square and drag for scale font size. Now double click on text layer and open blending option. We need to working with underlaying layers option. Click on white color slider and drag to left. Now hold Alt button and left click on color bar. Now drag that to left. Well done. Thanks for watching and subscribe digigraphic.net. In next tutorial you can learn how to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop. It's really useful and easy, and you can use this trick on profile pictures and wedding photography. Watch now.